Okay, so I've got a brake light out, I think. I'm gonna put the camera back there and see what I can see. So it's this one right here. I'm not seeing any obvious screws. Nothing here, so must be under here. Which one is it? I think it's the bottom one. This one. And it's just a quarter turn. And it pulls up. And then this should just come out like that. And if you look closely, you can see that it's obviously dark, and I can see in there where it's broken. So okay, this 7443 is the one you want. It's got 2 filaments. That's the one. I don't think there's a front and a back. You got little nubs on it, and you can easily see that some of the slots are wider, and they don't give you a lot of room to make that work. So and so if you line those up, quarter turn, it's not even a quarter turn, you're done. One of life's big dilemma. What do you do with the extra bulb that someday you'll need? I think it should stay in the car, because then, and I'll forget I have it, and I'll go buy a new one. Line up the holes. You should get one of these, by the way. Something like this definitely saves time. And I've had this, boy, going on 10 years, I think. They have original batteries. 2 of them. I don't think they still make it. They might, but there's lots of people that make it. Anyway, I like it. See you later. Like and subscribe.